If you're experiencing a verification pending status on the Celsius network, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any verification emails from Celsius. Sometimes, the verification process requires you to confirm your email address before proceeding. Step 2. Review your documents. Make sure that the identification documents you submitted meet the requirements. Check for clarity, correct information, and that they are not expired. Resubmit if necessary. Step 3. Contact support. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes browser issues can affect the verification status. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then log back into your Celsius account to check if the status has changed. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After following the above steps, be patient. Verification can take some time, so monitor your email and account for updates. If it takes longer than expected, follow up with support again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on Celsius network. If issues persist, continue to engage with customer support for further assistance.